So, what is cross border taxation? Now, this term refers to the tax obligations that arise when businesses operate in multiple countries. Now, this includes corporate income tax, value added tax, and various other withholding taxes. Each jurisdiction has its own laws, making it crucial for companies to understand these complexities. Hi, I'm Rigveda Wagh, manager at IMC, and today we learn about common challenges faced by businesses, how can entrepreneurs stay updated with the latest regulatory changes, and how to optimize a tax position. So here are some key challenges that international businesses face: diverse regulations, transfer pricing complexities, and compliance requirement. One major hurdle is the diverse regulations across countries. Each one has unique laws and compliance regulations. Additionally, transfer pricing, how businesses price the transactions between subsidiaries, can complicate the matter, as tax authorities closely scrutinize these practices to prevent profit shifting to low tax jurisdictions. So how can businesses stay informed about these ever-changing regulations? Regular training, subscribing to tax news platforms, and taking advice from the professionals. Engaging in regular training is essential. Companies should always subscribe to reputable tax news platforms to receive timely updates. Networking with tax professionals can provide invaluable insights into the latest trends and change in the international tax law. So, what strategies can help optimize tax positions and enhance this efficiency? Transfer pricing strategies, leveraging the tax treaties, and comprehensive tax planning. So first, establish a very clear and defensible transfer pricing policy to ensure compliance and mitigate the audit risk. Next, take advantage of the tax treaties to minimize a withholding tax and avoid double taxation. Finally, a comprehensive tax planning strategy that considers your global operations can lead to significant tax savings and operational efficiency. At IMC Group, we are dedicated to helping our clients navigate the complexities of cross-border taxation. Our expertise ensures you remain compliant with optimizing your tax strategies for a successful international presence. In the UAE, it's essential for a company to register for corporate tax within the 3 months of the earlier date between incorporation or issuance of the license. Contact us today to discover how we can support your business in managing the cross-border taxation effectively.